Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best potentiometer knobs is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in the world of electronics and audio equipment, acting as the tactile interface that allows us to precisely control volume, tone, and various other parameters. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile fine-tuning your amplifier, a DIY electronics enthusiast building a custom project, or a musician seeking the perfect feel for your instrument, the right knob can significantly enhance both the functionality and the aesthetic of your gear, offering a satisfying and intuitive user experience that transforms raw electronic signals into finely tuned sonic landscapes. Number 5. Taiss WH148 Rotary Potentiometer Kit. Introducing the Taiss WH148 Potentiometer Kit, a versatile set designed for all your audio control needs. This kit includes a variety of resistance values to suit any project. Crafted with durable metal and carbon film, these potentiometers offer reliable performance. The included aluminum alloy knobs provide a premium feel and precise control. Perfect for adjusting volume in audio equipment and guitars, these components are ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals working on household or personal audio devices. Each potentiometer comes with matching knobs, washers, and nuts, ensuring a straightforward installation process for your projects. This extensive 80-piece kit provides 20 potentiometers of each value, 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K ohm, along with 20 knobs, washers, and nuts for immediate use. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive selection of potentiometer values, perfect for audio projects. The included aluminum knobs provide a premium feel and excellent grip. If you're looking for a one-stop solution for your audio equipment or guitar modifications, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These knobs are a perfect fit for my project, easy to install and they look great. The quality of the material is excellent, very durable and they feel solid when turning. They provide a good grip, making it easy to adjust the potentiometer precisely. Number 4. Taiss Black Aluminum Rotary Control Knob. Introducing our premium control knobs, crafted from solid aluminum for exceptional durability. They are designed to enhance your audio equipment with a sleek, black anodized finish. These knobs feature a precise 6 mm inner hole diameter, ensuring a perfect fit for your rotary potentiometers. Their knurled circumference offers a secure and comfortable grip. With a diameter of 20 mm and a height of 17 mm, these knobs offer a substantial feel. The one-piece CNC machined construction guarantees a seamless and high-quality appearance. Ideal for sound equipment, these knobs provide both aesthetic appeal and functional control. Elevate the look and feel of your audio devices with this elegant upgrade. The durable black anodized surface finish not only looks sophisticated but also protects against wear and tear. Enjoy long-lasting performance and style. Each package contains 2 of these versatile rotary control knobs. You'll have everything you need to upgrade your equipment. What we like. These knobs are crafted from a single piece of solid aluminum with a durable anodized finish, offering superior quality and a sleek look. If you desire a high-end, robust feel for your sound equipment and appreciate precision engineering, these are the knobs for you. What people say. I use these knobs on a custom electric bass build and they look and feel great. The one thing to know is that they don't fit on 4-inch solid shaft pots which are slightly bigger than 6 mm. This is no big deal though, because they work great on split shaft CTS pots that are 5.95 mm. Just line up the set screw with the split in the shaft and snug up great, probably more secure than solid shaft. So if you are working on a build or swapping out pots, just keep this in mind. I will be using these again. Exactly what I wanted for this bass I am modifying, mine were flawless and had the set screws. Used 2 of these for volume and pickup pan, 3 smaller 13.9 mm diameter similar looking knobs for bass mid-treble. I am pleased with the look. Good quality product. Great radio dial replacement. Number 3. DaierTek 1900H Clone Guitar Effect Pedal Knobs. Introducing our premium guitar effect knobs, designed to enhance your musical experience. These are crafted for durability and precise control over your sound. Made from robust ABS plastic with a brass insert set screw, these knobs are built to last. They ensure a secure fit on your 4-inch shafts. These knobs are specifically designed to fit pots with a 1/4-inch, 6.35 mm, shaft diameter. Enjoy a snug and reliable connection for your amplifier and effect pedals. With a total height of 15.78 mm and a base diameter of 12.7 mm, these knobs offer a compact yet functional design. They are perfect for a wide range of applications. Choose from classic black, white, or cream to match your equipment's aesthetic. Custom color options are also available upon request. Widely applied to control various functions like level, speed, and voice, these knobs are essential for synthesizers and electric guitars. Elevate your tone with ease. Each package includes 10 guitar effect knobs, providing you with plenty for your setup. Get everything you need in one convenient purchase. What we like. Designed specifically for guitar effect pedals, these knobs offer a classic look and reliable performance. The ABS plastic construction with a brass insert ensures durability for frequent use. If you're a guitarist looking to customize your pedal board with reliable and stylish controls, these are a great option. What people say. The knobs are made of high-quality aluminum, which gives them a sturdy and premium feel. They fit perfectly onto the potentiometer shafts and stay in place without slipping. The knurled edges provide excellent grip, making it easy to adjust the potentiometer settings precisely. Number 2. UXCELL Silver Tone Rotary Knobs. Discover the UXCELL Silver Tone Rotary Knobs, designed for precision and ease of use. These black knobs offer a sleek finish and a comfortable grip. Crafted from a combination of durable plastic and metal, these knobs are built to last. They provide a reliable and sturdy feel for your potentiometer applications. Engineered with a 6 mm inner diameter, they ensure a perfect fit for your potentiometer shafts. Enjoy a secure and stable connection every time. Featuring a 19 mm top diameter, these knobs offer an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip. Their black and silver tone finish adds a touch of sophistication. This package includes 10 individual potentiometer rotary knobs, providing excellent value. You'll have plenty for multiple projects or replacements. With an overall size of 23 by 12 mm, these knobs are compact yet easy to handle. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to upgrade your equipment quickly. What we like. These rotary knobs combine plastic and metal for a balanced feel and feature a silver tone accent for a modern aesthetic. They are designed to fit standard 6 mm potentiometer shafts. If you need simple, functional, and visually appealing knobs for general electronic projects or replacements, these are a practical choice. What people say. The set screws snugged right up to the beveled edge on the switches and work great. Zero play, and the metal interior gives me hope that the heat from the stove won't lead to premature failure as the others did. They're not good if you need them for push or pull, but for turning left or right, they work awesome. They did everything they were advertised to do and more. Great fit, no issues. Replacement knobs for old fan. Number 1. WWZMDiB WH148 Potentiometer Kit. Introducing a versatile kit featuring 80 potentiometers and various resistance values from 1K to 1 ohm. This assortment includes durable plastic knobs, nuts, and washers for easy installation. Crafted from high-quality metal and carbon film, these components offer exceptional stability and longevity. The included knobs are made of robust plastic, ensuring they are easy to use and install. Each unit features a 6 mm diameter shaft and a 15 mm shaft length, with 3 terminals for versatile connectivity. The compact dimensions make them suitable for a wide range of applications. Perfect for adjusting volume in audio equipment, these potentiometers are widely used in stereos, guitars, and personal audio devices. They provide reliable control for your sound needs. This comprehensive kit includes 2 of each resistance value, along with 20 knobs, nuts, and washers. Everything is neatly organized in a high-quality plastic box for your convenience. We specialize in electronic components and welcome inquiries for wholesale business. Larger orders can benefit from improved pricing, so feel free to reach out to discuss your needs. What we like. This extensive assortment provides a wide spectrum of potentiometer values, ideal for diverse audio and electronic applications. The durable construction ensures longevity, and the included plastic knobs are easy to use. If you're an electronics enthusiast or hobbyist who needs a broad range of options for various projects, this kit is highly recommended. What people say. 20 potentiometers with knobs, great storage box. Came with all parts, 20 pots, 2 of each are value, 20 washers, 20 nuts. They operate mechanically smoothly. The resistance values were accurate, tried all 20, within 6% for all but one, 8%. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.